Ashley. This is a video, first part in a series. This is about basic tools. Number one, you have a flathead and a Phillips head. Number two, you have a crescent wrench or adjustable wrench. Number three, we have channel locks. That's pretty much because they have channels to adjust the size. Number four, we have vice grips. Very helpful. Number five, whoops, sorry about that. We have your basic set of pliers. Number six, we have a claw hammer for putting up pictures and pulling out nails. Number seven, we have a pipe wrench. This is for this is for plumbing. You need this to hook up and disconnect metal pipes. And eight, we have an Allen wrench, which is another type of fastener that has a hex shape. Anyway, this is the first part in a series, and this one is called Basic Tools. If you have these, you can probably repair about 90% of things that will occur in your home. Anyway, I hope this helps.